Okay.
So what happened so far? Hey John, want to play tag? Okay, tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Tag. Oh no, John got the hiccups. What are we going to do? I don't know what we're going to do. We have to ask, hey, want to play check with my money? Okay, we got a 1 dime and 1 penny and $1. You're in trouble. Hey, you guys. That'll make your hiccups. Hey, yeah, that's a drink. That'll make your hiccups go away. Yeah, no more hiccups. And when I said so much, it didn't. Oh, no. Okay. No one said so much to say. Oh, and go to the garden and pick some special leaves. Mommy, but it's not over. And when it said so much, and when it said, and now we can check. Okay, I know he can pick some special leaves. Yeah, I know, so much. Yeah, Ringo, come here. Have to be nice, Ringo. Like a beetle. Okay? And we're going to see on the stage. Yeah. See that girl throwing